welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna open up some presents, well, from Teepublic anyway. They're gonna be presents for my relatives, but I'm gonna review them and see how do you, and wanna have your opinion. What do you think about those 3 or 4 items I bought from Teepublic? So it's a Teepublic review coming up next. Okay, Teepublic. So a little bit of a back story, will be quick. I opened up a Teepublic store this year and I have about 30 designs, not very many, but I have a lot of fun making them. It's more for my digital designs, just having fun like with animals and text designs, and yeah. And I got a few things for Christmas for my relatives, and there's one item I could get for free when you start a store, so that's kind of nice. And that one took the longest, funny enough, but anyway, it took about a month for all of it to get here, so quite a while, but yeah, it's here now. And they all came, they didn't all come in one bag, but they all came in this bag. There was no Teepublic special bag at all on it, and I'm going to see what it says on here where it actually came from. Anyway, looks like it came from the States. Yeah, from the States. Okay. So which one? Let's do the free one, the freebie first. Got one of them last. So I decided to get a bag instead of a t-shirt or whatever. I think there's one like t-shirts, bags, and I can't remember, pouches maybe they give you for free. So that's what it is. There you go. So it's just your basic tote bag. And it's got a code on here. I guess you can check where it's made. What does it say where it's made? Assembled in the US. What does that mean? Where did it come from? I don't know. Anyway, I guess it's made in the US, made in China, came to the US to get printed. I really like this design. It's super cozy. It says, "Baby, it's cold outside." And I used Canva I took the design, changed the color, and put the text around it. I think it's really cute. So there's this one, and I like the color, the background color. I kind of just played with the colors, and yeah. So this is really cute for, I don't know, just can I put my lunch in or whatever. Cute. Now, the next thing that is pretty much the same is what's it, upside down? The mask. I'm gonna put it on, but I have makeup on. It's really big, so it's comfy. Oh. You can't really see me anymore. It's huge. It's I guess versatile. You can adjust the string. That's good. And it's got, you can put a filter in, I guess, if you want to. Double. So, and I like still, this is the same color, so very similar. Yeah, so pretty excited about that. That's a good one too. I like the tote bag. It seems to be pretty good quality so far. Of course, I don't know till I use it a few times. I don't see any problems with the sewing or anything, so good. Now the next one. Actually, I first have coffee because you know you need coffee. Okay. The same design, don't, but it's a t-shirt. It's a medium, I think. It's a large. Oh, it's a large. I don't know why I thought large. It's medium, but it's not very big anyway. This is for my daughter. She likes to wear this for going to bed. She likes t-shirts like this with the short arms. I really like the printing. It's very well done. And the shirt, it's not the most softest thing I ever had, but it's not the worst. It's like, yeah, it's okay. I think it's just a regular woman's t-shirt, I think. Yeah, it's woman's fit. Again, I don't see any problems with the sewing so far, so good. So, and it smells a little bit, but not too bad. So, I can't try it on because it's my daughter's. And I have all this on. I'm sure it will fit. The question is, how am I, if I wash it, if it still stays the time. The printing is really good on here, but I hope it's not going to come all off in the wash. That, and now last but not least, we got a different design. This is for my son. This is a large male man. He is not large, but it's going to shrink, and it's kind of funny because it says deer in plaid, and it's green. I think he likes it. Yeah, so this is for him. Now, again, it smells like vinegar, which is okay, and it's kind of soft. Like it's not a, it's a nice t-shirt because I had the Red Bubble t-shirts are a little bit stiffer. The regular ones. So kind of like that. They're softer. Okay, now there's a bonus. This not Teepublic, but it's a Red Bubble. So I can't remember, I think in my review I showed you this one. It's the 13-inch laptop case. And it was folded, you still see the fold there. It was kind of for my daughter's laptop. But it's kind of small. So then I decided I can use this for my iPad because I don't have a case. And you got the bigger one, the 15-inch one for her laptop, where she also can put the battery in. More room. I mean, it's padded. It's pretty good. But they kind of, like, it doesn't look bad on camera, but in real life, the design is very, very bleached out. Now, that might be my fault because when I put it up, but on the computer, it doesn't look like that. So, kind of bummed out about that. And it's also, see up here, it's not proper, so it's like the design makes no sense. This is a white thing, but here it isn't. Unless I put it on wrong, I don't know. I mean, it's just, yeah, she's not gonna care. It's blue, she wanted a blue one. Even this one is not actually, like, it's brighter. It is not so washed out, but even this is very kind of pixelated, not very good. Anyway, so I have to make sure. I have to check those designs, maybe print it on something else, but I can't go to the store and print everything. So they fit. So I watched, she has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it at the end cards and put it down in the description. She has a channel, she reviews, and it's about making money online with your art and being a creative. And she does a lot of reviews, and her laptop case was too small for her computer, or for her iPad, or can't remember. Anyway, it was too small. So this one I checked, it fit the 13-inch. So I don't know, somebody just didn't measure right. I don't know. So yeah, so these are the Christmas presents. So that's it for today. I think most of the things are good. All three of them. Four of them, sorry. Teepublic is good. Red Bubble, not so much. I don't there was one t-shirt I had from Red Bubble, but there, actually, one second. Okay, there's a bonus just to see. This is your regular red bubble shirt. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. It's way stiffer. Just a usual kind of boring shirt. That's a large, and this is, like I said, way softer. And the design is better. The colors are actually how they're supposed to be. This here was way too much washed out, because I only wore it like once. I didn't wear it very often last year. So, and it's not coming off, but so it's really just bad color matching. So red bubble with your shirts. And another thing I wanted to see, because I remember her, the other lady, had a problem with not being straight. And this is my, is it straight? Yeah, it's supposed straight, and I do like it higher, sort of in the middle. That's good. Let's see that other one. Double check. Yeah, it's in the middle too. So she's just had bad luck. Mine is fine. Okay, so see you guys in the next one. In the next one, we're probably going to talk about Christmas presents for artists. Last minute Christmas presents for artists. Because we want like good presents too. And we don't just want boring color paints all the time. We like something different, right? So stay tuned for that. See you in the next one. Make sure you watch that video up here where that's a review about the red bubble stuff. Oh, red bubble, red bubble, red bubble. You're not gonna cut that out. Make sure you watch this video up here where I review the red bubble merch I got about a month ago. So we can kind of, I don't know, see which one is better, or they're both the same. Whatever. I don't know if I had t-shirts there. Yeah, I had one t-shirt. Anyway, see you over there.